Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mason with Sandy Hook Yachts, and I'm here to show you the Marex 310 Sun Cruiser, the biggest 31-foot family yacht on the market. Come aboard. As you come aboard this beautiful 31-foot family cruiser, the first thing that I notice is the spaciousness. Beautiful wide open seating, very wide space to have dinner, lunch with your family. The quality of the seating is fantastic, and I feel just sitting here, you know, that you have an angle in on every conversation, plenty of seating to go around. One of my favorite things that I've come across on these particular boats is how easy they make everything at Marex. From the sunroof, very easy to close, very easy to open. You can gain access to natural light, which is a fantastic option in South Florida. As you move forward, you'll notice that you do have another matching sunroof at the front area. As we come forward to the helm area, the first thing I notice is the double bench seat here, the doubles captain's chair. Really allows you to, you know, have your companion, your significant other sitting next to you. Allows them to, you know, see where the boat's going, feel as if though they are also captaining the boat with you. They have a very beautiful helm setup, very nice matte finish here, large Garmin interface, and that's one thing that I found out about Marex is they make a lot of things easier for boaters. Everything's very accessible, everything's easy. You know, as you come down to the galley, the first thing that I notice is the headspace. You know, I'm 5'11", 6 foot on a good day, and I have plenty of headspace to get around the galley area. Nice stovetop area, sink, plenty of storage for cabinetries, plates, utensils, etc. Everything is very smooth, very nice finish. They do a very good job of the fit and finish of this boat, and it's very impressive. Moving in to the berths areas, this is going to be the main room here. Once again, plenty of headroom for someone of my size. You got hangers on each and every wall, natural light coming through the side of the doors and the side windows. Plenty of space here in the berth area to stay overnight. As we move over to the head area, I mean, the first thing I notice is a beautiful step-in shower accompanied by the toilet, sink. Once again, another thing that Marex does very, very well is their storage even in the bathroom for, you know, bathroom essentials, shampoo, toiletries, things of that nature. Plenty of natural light coming through the bathroom as well, which is, you know, a nice addition. And also air conditioning, of course. And I'm sitting here in the second berth. Truthfully, for a boat of this size, a 31-footer, finding two berths in a boat of this size is very, very rare. And truthfully, once you get down in there, you have plenty of headspace, plenty of room to sleep the kids, family members, anything like that. And it's all accompanied by plenty of hanging space for clothes. You get a nice little shelf in there for your shoes. Beautiful, beautiful finish, once again, on each and every storage space. Once again, making the boat feel bigger than it really is. And as you move around to the bow of the boat, you feel very safe. There's handrails guiding you across the whole side of the boat. So I'm able to get up here, very accessible, very easy. And once again, guys, I'm Mason with Sandy Hook Yachts, and I want to thank you for stopping by with me on the Marex 310 Sun Cruiser, the biggest 31-foot cruising family yacht on the market. To learn more about these boats, please give us a follow on our social media at Sandy Hook Yachts, and I'll be seeing you guys shortly.